if you are involved in a collision. 4 things that need to be done. Call for help. Protect the scene. Take care of the injured. Report the incident. Even in minor accidents, a police accident report can prove invaluable when dealing with your car insurance company and other drivers. Give police the facts. Provide honest, accurate facts and never argue about who was to blame. Do not admit fault. Stay at the scene until all information has been recorded. You can file an accident report through your state's DMV if the police can't make it to the scene, which is more likely if there are no injuries. What should you do to protect the scene? Get cars off the road, if possible, warn other drivers. What should you do to take care of anyone who is injured? Try to make them as comfortable as possible, and see if there is anyone with medical training. What information should you get from the other driver involved in a crash? Name, address, phone, driver's license, plate number, insurance company name, and phone number. Also, get the name and phone of any witnesses. Damage to a vehicle in the parking lot and the car owner is not present. Take a photo immediately of the damage to both vehicles. Call your insurance company to make the report. Your insurance company will contact the car owner's insurance company using the license plate info you provide. You could leave a note with your insurance company phone and the claim number your agent will give you. It might be best not to leave your phone number. You don't know with whom you are dealing. Regardless of who is at fault, exchange insurance information if the car owner is present. If they refuse to show insurance info, you need to call 911. It's possible they do not have insurance. If they attempt to drive away, take a picture of their plate. Minor dings can cost up to $1,000 to repair, so if there is visible damage, you'll want to document that. Collision on a public roadway. Pull over to the far right lane, shoulder, or move to a parking lot, if you can. Remember, you must stop. Someone could be injured and needs your help. If you do not stop, you may be convicted of hit and run and could be severely punished. Nevada laws. Duty to stop at the scene of a crash involving death or personal injury. The driver involved in a crash resulting in bodily injury or death of a person shall immediately stop at the scene of the crash and remain at the scene. Duty to give information and render aid. Render to any person injured reasonable assistance, including carrying or the making of arrangements for the carrying of such person to a physician, surgeon, or hospital for medical or surgical treatment if it is apparent that such treatment is necessary or if the injured person requests such carrying. Follow up on insurance claims. Work closely with your insurance company to process your claim efficiently. Provide them with any requested documents or information to expedite the claims process. Remember, it's essential to consult local laws and regulations, as these steps may vary depending on your jurisdiction. Additionally, seeking legal advice from a qualified professional after a collision is recommended, especially if the collision resulted in significant damage, injuries, or legal complications.